The earth is one of God's gifts to humans and should be cared for appropriately. This notion was further enhanced by Oluwabukunmi Olukitibi, the creative mind behind the If Humans Were Earth art performance work organized to encourage a cleaner environment. The walk started around Otaku Market with Bukumi the center of attraction in a unique attire that was being littered with birds picked from the environment to the amazement of traders and passers-by. All through the beggar Wuse axis, the convener thrilled and sensitized people about proper waste disposal and keeping a clean environment as they approached the endpoint at Wuse Market. Participants expressed their overall opinion about the initiative and attempted to answer the question, if humans were Earth.
Well, I think we're part of it. I think it already happens. We are part of the Earth, so this is how we treat it, so it shows a little bit of maybe a lack of self-respect.
I think we would have been dead by now because of how we treat Earth. So I don't think anyone would have survived it.
I think we would learn very quickly to take care of Earth. We would stop making excuses and, really work to make things cleaner and more healthy.
The Earth is acting out, going on mad with what's going on with the climate change and the whole environmental hazards. So it's just good to be fair and be transparent and be more organized to our environment Earth.
It's a beautiful step she started with, and I think it's a very beautiful performance. Owing to the fact that, number one, street art performance is not something usual, and it's something that got catchy. We got some interesting views, some interesting opinions, and you can see like something is tweaking.
It was creative, though I knew it was about death sensitization, but on coming to the venue, I got another pictures in mind.
Bukumi explained the reason behind coming up with such an initiative and further talked about the positive impact it may have on people.
Now more than ever came to start to consider all the trash that I see around when I take walks or just moving around the city that I live in, which is Abuja. And I started to think about how do I share these reflections in a way that is relatable, that people can see and connect with, and just ideas that they can resonate with. The idea is to create that subtle consciousness. And I think that was very successful.
The If Humans Were Earth initiative is a welcome development and is hoped to have a positive impact towards the way people treat the Earth space.